In this question, we'll have double transient, so no problem. Same steps we have to follow. Step number one, we have to draw the circuit t less than 0. Okay, so for t less than 0, tell me switch 1 is opened or closed? T equal to 0, say S1 is closed. So before that, it was opened, right? So now redraw the diagram. Was opened, right? Now at t equal to 0, the switch S2 is closed, right? According to the arrow, means it was open before, was open before. They ask you find I of t is current across inductor. Like this, because inductor will flow, it will behave like a plane path. So now tell me, is there any current flowing across through the inductor? IL of 0 minus equal to IL of 0 plus equal to 0, right? Because there is no current flowing across through this inductor, correct? Next, step number 2. Now both the switches will be closed for t equal to infinity, right? So let's redraw the diagram. Have to maintain your speed target. How will you maintain your speed? Do lots and lots of practice. Correct or not? Okay, now in this condition switch will be closed. So in this case current is flowing IL of infinity, right? So now we can simply use the KVL, yeah? I1, I2 to get it is 0. I just make both the switches open. Hmm. Because no current is flowing across. Okay. So now in this case, the equation would be mesh equation. Batao. Tell me the mesh equation for the first mesh and the second mesh. Hmm. Hmm. Right. So this is the equation minus 6I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 30, right? And the second equation is minus 30, ये plus 30 है, हाँ. So it would be minus 8I2, right? 2I1 equal to minus 10. This is the second equation. Yes or no? Okay. Now we need to calculate the equation. I'm solving in minus 6 2. You know now how to solve in the calculator? Hmm? 65 by that is 5.9, correct. And I2 is how much? 0.72. So we need I2. I2 is IL of infinity. We got it as 2.72, right? So I2 is 2.7. Now the next step we need to calculate tau, right? Step number third. Tau is how much? R equivalent, L divided by R equivalent, and for t greater than 0 we need to do it. Again we need to redraw the circuit for the calculation of R equivalent. That would be equivalent to RTH, right? Would be voltage would be short circuit, switch will be closed, voltage would be short circuit, and then the diagram looks like this, right? Always inductor will be open circuit, and we have to see with respect to inductor only. Now tell me which resistance is in series and which is in parallel. R equivalent is how much? Parallel 8 by 6 plus 6, right? So 8 by 6 plus 6 is how much? How much it is? Divided by 6 is 1.33. So it would be 7.33, right? L is how much? 5 divided by 7.33, right? So how much is the value? 5 divided by 7.3. So it would be 0.681. 0.68 is it up? Yeah, इसका तो answer they haven't given na. Okay, no problem. Again, we need to put it in the equation. IL of t would be equal to IL of infinity minus IL of infinity minus IL of 0 minus raised power minus t by tau. Correct? So IL of infinity, how much we got it? 2.72. 2.72. 2.72. IL of 0 minus is 0. E raised power minus t by tau. So we got it as 0.68. Right? So it would be how much? 2.72 minus 2.72 e raised power minus t divided by 0.68. So we can take 2.72 as common, 1 minus e raised power minus t divided by 0.68. So I told you we'll never leave 1 divided by 0.68 is how much? 1.47. So the final answer is 2.721 minus e raised power minus 1.47. This is the final value we got it for IL of t. आंसर क्या है इसका?